So what is the name of this place?
This place name is Mtasa Bazar.
Muktagasa Nutun Bazar. You are watching behind us. There are so many cars here. Is
Yeah.
it a garage?
Yeah, it's yes.
Garage
Parking place.
parking place.
Yes.
So all the car is white.
Yeah.
Is there any black color car?
Yeah. Two black colors are there.
Yeah, two black color cars here,
Yes.
and it's all the car is highs, right?
Highs, high Victor, Noah.
24 February, I have a picnic. So can I take some car from here?
20 February.
24 February.
24.
24.
Where will you go?
I wanna go to Gozli Eco Park
Gosney Eco Park. Just Gosney
and
Eco Park.
also Modutila.
Modutila. Oh, that is
Awesome place.
Yeah, I was go there
Okay, have you
long time
gone
ago.
before?
A long time ago.
Long time ago.
Yeah.
So how was the actually the park?
That park was so good that time. I think now it will update. It's update.
And if I go there and if I take some people for enjoying the party or enjoying the picnic,
From your school.
so can I enjoy the from the picnic after going there, or after going there I will see that my money is lost. I have come here and for coming it's a loss, and what I will do. So can I enjoy after going there? Is there any beautiful place?
Yes, yes. They have lots of beautiful place. So you will go with your child student.
Child student, especially
Yeah,
I
child
have
student.
so many students
So
in our school, so
that
that's
will
why.
that will be so hard for you, for your every teacher, because
Every teacher,
that
yes,
place
I will go with the staff, with the staff.
that place was so high. They have so many
Mountain,
hill,
mountain,
so many
mountain.
hill. So I think child doesn't overcome from this
Yes,
place.
I want to say something
That will
about mountain. My dear brothers and sisters, you can go also for watching the mountain, because mountain is a very beautiful place.
Yes.
And if you go to the mountain, you will watch what Allah has created in this world, right?
Yeah,
And it's the
that's why
sunnah. It's the another sunnah.
that's why I will suggest to you, so you won't go that place with child, because
Child, why?
it's so hard for
It's
you,
very risky.
very risky, because there are lots of mountains, so you have to overcome from lots of mountains. So
Oh,
that will be
we
so
can
tough
climb up the mountain, right?
mountain
We can't climb up the mountain. It will be hard for the
for the
student
student.
children.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. I will remember these things, and I will talk with my staff about that. And will you join with me?
I try to join,
Okay. And if you
because
go with me,
yeah,
inshallah.
I have a tour with my child student. I have a
Where? Which place?
it's Maimanching and Neptokona.
Netrakona.
Yeah,
It's Durgapur, Shisham Durgapur.
Durgapur, Neptokona, and so on.
What is the place? How is the beautiful place? Is it very beautiful, Shisham Durgapur?
Yeah, it's beautiful, but it's a
Just river
river
and the border gate of India.
Yeah, it's not. They doesn't have lots of mountains. That's why I go there with my child student.
Okay, can I buy something from there, from the Indian food or Indian cosmetic or Indian products, I will say?
Yeah, I will try to buy.
And is it available Indian product there?
Yeah, lots of Indian products are available from this place, because I went there
When
1 year ago.
when did you go Shusham Durgapur? How did you enjoy?
Yeah, I will go uh, after the. Sorry, I don't know what is
You
the
have
name.
gone. You have gone
Yeah,
long time ago. So
yeah,
how you enjoyed that time?
yeah. I enjoy a lot, because I go there with my two colleagues.
To
They are,
colleague,
you know him. His name is
Shorab,
no. So his name is Rifat and Shubham.
Rifat and Shubha. Hey, I know when
Yeah,
you
you know very well.
business, when you
Yeah,
business. In that time,
for
you went
business.
there,
Yeah.
and you enjoyed a lot, and you shared with me some stories about that,
Yes, yes.
and you have bought something from the tourist place, and it was amazing. You told me that time. So I wanna go to picnic as well. So my dear brothers and sisters, you can also comment. So have you gone to picnic in this year? If you don't go to picnic, so you can also go to picnic, because picnic is another sunnah. You can just follow that, and if you go to for the picnic, you
Already,
can watch the mountain and
already winter season are
going.
going.
Yes,
That's why you have to go
it's leaving.
now.
Winter season is leaving right now. So before the warm day, before the hot season,
Hot
before
season.
the warm season, so you can go to,
And summer season.
yes, summer season, and then after some days it will be rainy season.
Rainy season. That's why you have to go now.
Now
Because you don't have enough time.
it's a very high time for your picnic, for your journey, for your
Because right
enjoy.
now don't have lots of cold and lots of warm. That's why it's a high time for
Yes.
traveling.
Another thing, if you go to picnic, your mind will be fresh and you will
Yes.
not feel depression. There are so many people are feeling depression in this country. So if you have the depression, if you feeling frustration, depression all the time, so you can go for the picnic and you can fresh your mind. Right.
That's why I traveling sometime.
End of the video, I want to say something, that is, we are practicing English right now in the public place. The main reason is we have to increase our knowledge, and also we have to increase our confidence,
To
right?
get some lots of confidence.
Confidence.
Lots
So
of confidence.
after practicing just few minutes right now in the public place, now we are feeling very, very, very much confident.
Definitely.
How you are feeling?
Yeah, I feeling lots of confidence because I already after making video I my confidence level is so low.
Zero level. It was zero level.
So right now I feel good.
Yeah. When we were beginner level, zero level, from the
Yeah.
zero level, we can't come this kind of public place, and we were very shameful. We can't make video. So right now, we are talking very easily. That is amazing things, my dear brothers and sisters. Who want to speak English, I have a suggestion. You can go to your outside or public place, and if you just can say the 3 or 4 sentences, that's enough, no problem.
Yeah, first time you can go just noise place.
Yes.
So after the overcome this situation, so you can go the
Public place, public place. It
Okay.
will be very, very helpful for you, and your confidence, your dear also will grow up, and you can speak English fluently. So thank you so much. If you want to watch this kind of video again, so hit the like button and share with your friends. I'll see you very soon with another video. Have a nice day.
Okay. Till
Say
then,
bye.
Allah Hafiz.